Alright, welcome guys to the Trade Focus YouTube channel, and today let's have a look at a couple of trading pairs like gold, euro, USD and pound dollar as a weekly basis. What will happen to the market for the next couple of days, within 2 to 3 days, like in the next week. So today is Sunday. Let's have a look at that first of gold market and gold chart over here and find out what are the main reversing areas and entry area zones, right? So in this video, I'm just looking at this chart as a as a large scale, not just a daily trading analysis, right? So we're looking at the large scale of this trend, as we can mentioned about in the previous videos. Still, I can see that buyers and sellers are just struggling up and down moves just around here, right? This is my key area and this is my upper key area, right? Just right around here. Buyers and sellers are struggling over here. So still I'm expecting that this sellers are fading up, or we can call it sellers are about to go up the market. However, we're looking at the large scale of the market trend, and as well in the couple of previous days, like within around here, I can see that the market sellers also try to make a new downtrend too, right? But however, let's have a look at the next up or down waves. Currently, we're looking at the chart over here in the previous couple of hours, like from here to here. Buyers got a little bit pressuring up to the upside than the sellers. So still, we might be able to see another market up wave, right? So before that up wave started, I think I'm expecting that another market pull back to the downside area and will goes up around here, right? So this is my reversing point, just one reverse point around here, right? So as a main trend, there are two trading setups, right? Because we're looking at this chart over here, I mean this area, this part over here. I feel like buyers comes up and sellers pressuring down. Buyers try to break through the lines, comes back, breaks through the lines, comes back. Sellers comes very hot, very strongly than buyers within this market range. But we're looking at the whole market uptrend. It still looks like main sellers are fading. But in the recent day, like middle of the trend, middle of the market consolidation, looks like sellers also pressuring to the downside very hardly. Looks like we're looking at the previous candle trends, this trend, it's very strong than the uptrends trend, right? So that's why I can see two trading setups, but my main trading setup is still I'm expecting a main up wave about to start, right? So let me explain that first. As a first wave, market will goes down at least very weakly to this area. This one of a market up reverse point. If breaks through, then market will comes to this area, right? And then market will reverse from this area to the upside, and then this is another market down reverse point around here, right? Just like once market reaches this area, yeah, consolidate, or market just a pullback, and then market goes down, up again, and then there's another market up move, down move around here, and then the market goes just like market consolidating, which means once market breaks through this zone over here, the buyers will try to fade up, or buyers will try to giving up the market, right? As soon as market broke through the lines, so goes down and will try to make a new uptrend. Market will go up to this area. This is the highest area that the market could go as an uptrend, and then market goes down. So this is my up move trading setups and reversing areas for me as a main uptrend. So somehow, if sellers manage to break through this zone over here, which is around here, because this zone kind of high volume, high volatility area, right? We're looking at the large scale of the trend. So if sellers manage to break through the lines just like this, I mean, it has to come straightly, right? Just like that, then we might be able to see a market another down wave. So how do you take an entry if market broke through the lines? Well, wait until broke through the lines and market will eventually reverse to the upside again, like another one more pullback to the upside. So this is the buyer's last try to go up, and then market will try to go up. If market slowing down just around here, because this is the last reversing area to the upside, and as well now it's become just like a resistance zone, right? So if market slowing down just around here, once market broke through the lines, then will market start to go downside. So this will be your short entry area, right? Then market start another market up and down waves to the downside. So that's what I can see as a main trading setups as in a large scale. But however, in the next up wave, I mostly like 80% expecting that market up wave will be started. So that's what I can see in gold market. And let's move on to Euro USD chart over here. When looking at the Euro chart over here, you can see from here to here where the uptrend not much is strong. Yeah, there is an uptrend, but buyers are controlling the market, but very slow buyers, very weak buyers are in here. So, and then after that, there's another market up move, but they try to break to the area, comes back, and also sellers got also a little bit weak around here, and buyers pressuring up to the upside very strongly than the previous uptrend. So, however, as a main uptrend, looks like sellers are fading up, or we can call it they're about to give the market, even here, just like the gold market. But however, we could be able to see a market up wave at first. So we can see the previous couple of candles, couple of previous weeks, hours from here to here, kind of market is strong up move, and then sellers got a little bit weak than the previous uptrend. But however, I'm expecting a market down pullback up to around this area, which is this area. This is market down reverse up reverse point. Market will slowly comes down to this area and then goes up, right? So this will take some time, like couple of days, to go here and go up. So we have to be patient until market reach to this area to make a long trade. So that's what I can see in Euro USD as a main trend for now. Let's do another market analyze tomorrow or day after tomorrow for a day trading basis, right? So stay tuned for that too. So this is just a main as a weekly basis market trend, right? And then let's move on to pound market off here. So these are my previous analysis trading setups and reversing areas. You can watch that videos. I'll put the link in the description. Exactly as you predicted, market just reversed our exact reversing zones, and then market broke through lines and comes up again. So now my intention of pound market just straight goes up just because of market news, the US dollar news, right? Comes up in the previous week. So if sellers manage to comes down again, like market recovery up below this area over here, then we might be able to see a market down move, right? Still there's no confirmation. If market goes down, if market creates another market down move, the sellers has to comes down, and it should be breaks through the lines to this area, and market will pull back to this down up with this reversing point and comes down again eventually to this area. This will be another market up reverse point, like reversing area, right? So this market, another market up reverse point, and then market goes down again to this area. This is another market up reverse point, right? Which is just about above the previous up reverse point, right? Just a little bit above the previous up reverse point, and then market will pull back to another up move very slowly, and then goes down up to this area. So that's what I can see as a main downtrend. But to make this downtrend, they have to break through this line and wait until broke through the line, and again wait until market pulls back to this area. So that's what I can see in these 3 trading setups as a main large scale move. So let's see what's going to happen. I'll update with more day trading setups in the next upcoming weeks. So let's see what's going to happen. Stay tuned, guys.